My name is Dino Dondiego, and I am the individual who invented hair stranding. The reason why I created hair stranding was really through being frustrated, because all other methods in the industry, every one of them, causes additional hair loss. So it's sort of a not so good trade-off. You get hair added to have more hair, and it makes you lose more of your own. So I find that kind of crazy. So I wanted to invent a way that would add hair, give somebody more hair, women or men, and leave the existing hair alone. Hair stranding is a revolutionary technique based on a very unique invention called the Micro Strand. This is the Micro Strand. It's actually a filament. We network these microstrands together, and we feed one human hair at a time onto this microstrand. When it's finished, it looks like single human hairs spread apart, dispersed, just sort of floating in the air.
When I was wearing the keratin extensions or the beads, they would get mistaken for a piece of gum in my hair or a little knot that was in there. And with this, not only can you style it any way you want, but it's the most invisible way of adding hair.
When I look at this picture of me, I completely say to myself, that is not me. And as far as I'm concerned, it's not me. This is me. I don't even think of myself as being bald.
I was losing more hair, and it's starting to come back, so it's funny, I have little pieces that are like, that are coming back.
It's such a wonderful feeling to help people like this, because when you see their face when it's done, they're half shocked and half happy.
I can't even explain what it does to you when you look in the mirror and your hair as a female is like falling out in clumps. I just felt like a shell of my former self.
Yeah.
So this is just like incredible to me. You gave me my life back.